Good day, students. Today we are going to continue our lesson about finding the volume of a solid figure. Now this time we will going to learn, or we will going to continue our lesson by the use of problem solving. Now let us start. First, we are going to find the volume of a cuboid. And when we say cuboid, it is composed of a cube and a rectangular prism. And both of them share the same formula, which is volume is equal to length times width times the height. For the cube, we can also use the formula volume is equal to 3, or volume is equal to side raised to the power of 3. Now let us try this example. We have here a cube wherein the side is 2 inches. So we all know that the cube, all of its sides are equal. So for this one, let us use the formula volume is equals to side raised to the power of 3, or volume is equal to side times side times side. And based on our example, the side of this cube is 2 inches. So substitute 2 inches times 2 inches times 2 inches. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So for our final answer, volume of this cube is 8 cubic inches. Now let us try some word problem involving the volume of the cube. A cubical balikbayan box has a side of 15 inches long. Marco wants to find out its volume so that he can decide how many balikbayan items he can put inside the box. Let us help Marco find its volume. So using the formula, volume is equals to side raised to the power of 3, or side times side times side. So let us substitute 15 inches times 15 inches times 15 inches. 15 times 15, that is 225 inches squared. Multiply it with 15, 225 times 15, we get a total answer of 3,375 cubic inches. So Marco can put, or the volume of Marco's balikbayan box is 3,375 cubic inches. Now, this time, we are going to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, so for this rectangular prism, we got 12 inches of its length, 5 inches wide, and the height is 3 inches. Formula used for this one is length times width times height. So let us substitute. The length of this one is 12 inches. The width is 5 inches and the height is 3 inches. So 12 times 5 times 3, the total answer is 180 cubic inches. So it's very easy. You can find the volume of any cuboid. All we have to do is just multiply its side. So for the rectangular prism, it's length times width times height. For the cuboid, it's side raised to the power of 3. Now this time, let us use our learnings in finding the volume of a rectangular prism with a problem of what volume of water will fill a rectangular tank giving 40 centimeter long, 30 centimeter wide, and 15 centimeter height. So based on our formula, we have volume is equals to length times width times height. So the length is 40 centimeter, the width is 30 centimeter, and the height is 15 centimeter. So 40 times 30 times 15, the total answer for this one, or the volume of the rectangular tank, is 18,000 cubic centimeter. Okay, so this time let us proceed with our next solid figure, and that is the triangular prism. So the formula used in finding the volume of the triangular prism is volume is equals to 1/2 times base times height times the length. And is to remember the formula used in finding the volume, the area of a triangle, that is volume is equals to 1/2 times base times height. But since this is a solid figure and it has a length, So for this one, the final formula is volume is equal to 1/2 times base times height times its length. Okay, let us try some example. For this one, we have the height of this triangular prism is 7 feet, the base is 8 feet, and the length is 10 feet. So using our formula, let us substitute the following. So the base is 8 feet, the height is 7 feet, and the length is 10 feet. So 8 times 7, that is 56. 56 times 10, that is 560. And the half of 560, the total answer is 280 cubic feet. So just remember, students, our formula. If you can identify or if you memorize the formula in finding the volume of a triangular prism, it's very easy for you to find the answer. Now let us use some word problem. Let us read. The height of the triangular prism is 6 cm and its base is an equilateral triangle of 5 cm and a length of 5 cm. Also, find the volume of the prism. So using our formula, volume is equals to 1/2 times base times height times length. Let us substitute the given. So the base is an equilateral triangle which is 5 cm. The height is 6 cm. And the length is 5 cm as well. So let us now multiply 5 times 6, that is 30 centimeters squared, times 5, 30 times 5, that is 150 cubic centimeter. But we are not yet done because we will going to half this 150. And the half of 150 is, very good, you got it right, that is 75 cubic centimeter. So therefore, the volume of this triangular prism is 75 cubic centimeter. Now this time, I want you to answer the problem, and after you got the answer, please write this one in the comment section below. The question is, Bradley's tent is in the shape of triangular prism shown below. Now how many cubic feet of space are in his tent? So I want you to solve this problem and don't forget to put your answer in the comment section below. Okay, now let's proceed. This time we will going to find the volume of a cylinder. And the formula used in finding the volume of the cylinder is volume is equal to pi times r squared times its height. So let us try some examples here. We have this example, and to find its volume, we will going to use our formula. The value of pi is 3.14. The radius for this one is 3, so 3 squared, and the height is 10. Okay, so let us first do the one that has an exponent. 3 squared is 3 times 3 times 3, that is 9. So we have here volume is equals to 3.14 times 9 times 10. So the next one is we will going to multiply 3.14 times 9. That is 28.26. So 28.26 times 10, which is its height. The total answer for the volume of this cylinder is 228.6 cubic inches. Okay, so very good, kids. We are able to find the volume of this cylinder using the formula volume is equal to pi times r squared times the height. Now this time, let us proceed with the volume of a sphere. For the volume of the sphere, we got the formula used as volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So let us try this example. We have a volume. We have a sphere wherein the radius of this sphere is 8 meters. Okay, so using our formula, volume is equals to 4/3 times pi times r squared. R squared here is 8. 8 to the power of 3. 8 times 8 times 8. That is 512 512. 512 times 3.14, that is 1,607.68. So we have now 1,607.68 times 4 divided by 3. And we get a total answer of 2,143.57 cubic inches. Where do I get this one? All I did is I multiply for 1,607.68 times 4 divided by 3. And the answer is 2,143.57 cubic inches. Now this time, I want you to find the volume of this ball. Still, put your answer in the comment section below.